Sennheiser PC USB headphone. It has inbuilt sound card. USB is this headphone is compatible with Windows and Mac. Headphone is light and white. It costs $300 US dollars or 2000 Indian rupees. Its features are noise cancellation microphone, light in white, over-ear headset. Its frequency response is around 42 to 17,000 Hz. The mic is good for VoIP calls, podcasts, and voiceover for YouTube videos. Thank you. This is the audio came from the Sennheiser PC USB headphone. Thank you for watching.